Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how you can do a Python certification course on online for free. So let's get started. First you need to go to a link which is provided into the description box. Once you open the link you will see this is a Dataflare training website which will open, and you can see here it is a free Python certification course. So this course is a perfect blend of in-depth Python theoretical knowledge and strong practical skills. This course is free and which will introduce you to the real-time projects which are available in the industries. So it will give you head start to learn the Python. So why should you should enroll for this course? It is like you will get a 5 real-time projects and 35 complementary projects. It is 100 plus hours of study material which is available with this course. Then we have a practical oriented course, and the course is absolutely free. You can see it is a self-paced course, which means you can complete the course whenever you would like. The duration for this course is around 20 plus hours and the price is free. So if I go down, what you will take from the Python free online course. So what you will learn from this course, this is nothing but the course content. So what you will learn, you will just kickstart your career as a Python pilots in IT words, build a strong foundation in Python, understand how Python helps in data science. So it is related to data science, like basics of Python which are used in data science. Work on industry standard use cases, like you can work on a live projects, you will get a hands-on in on live projects. You can also get a complex concepts like decorators and testing in Python. You will learn the Python framework. Then you will learn to build a GUIs in a Python. GUI is nothing but the user interface. Then you can learn the object oriented programming with Python, and it is a beginner friendly course. So if I go down, you will see these are the curriculum, which means these are the course content which you will get in this course. So demystifying Python, then you have introduction, then basic syntax, reasons to learn Python, benefits and careers in Python. Then we have like Python basic constructs, which are nothing but the loops, numbers, decision making operators. Then the string handling. So the each topic which is there present in the Python, it is well defined in this curriculum. So you can see that for data structure we have a separate module, for functional we have separate modules like Python packages, what is a deep dive, multi-threading in Python, what is a date and time modules in Python, which are nothing but used in the live projects. So again the object oriented concepts in Python, file handling, Python exceptions. Exception handling is very important so that you can avoid your application to get crashed. So the data science library which will be used like numpy, pandas, etc. Then the real-time Python projects, you will get a 5 real-time Python projects which are based on industries, and you will learn those on hands-on experience. And if I go down, you can see the ratings 4.8, 4.9. Then this course is free, and they have also provided the companies which can expect a Python certification. So these are the companies which are available which will accept the Python certification from this website. And if I go and enroll now, you just have to enroll. So I have already have account on this website. I'll just log into that. So once I log in, you can see I haven't enrolled to that course. So once I enroll to this course, it will start. So before starting the Python course, I can just open this and you will see this is a module. So this module container all the basic information which are available for this course. Then we have introduction to Python. You will see this is a video lecture, and we also have the introduction to Python and facts. So this is the material. If I click on this, it will open a new site and you will have a theoretical also. Like you can see why learn Python, Python features and all, everything. So everything is present in this Python course. So there are 258 steps. You can see there are 258 topics which needs to be completed to have a certification. So if I go to the, so what I will do, I'll just come to the course, and in my courses I can just go to that course and check what I have completed and the progress. So this is it, guys. This is the course. This is a website which is called as a data player, on which you can do a free Python certification course. Hope you enjoyed the video. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.